lovelies, and welcome to today's video. Today, well actually still today when I'm editing this video, when I was recording this video, I've had a cold, so I've been low under the weather, so it took a lot of motivation for me to actually be able to clean my whole house, but I got it done. So I hope you enjoy this cleaning video. If this is your first time here and you like what you see, I hope you will hit that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join my little YouTube family. And let's get to it.
Hi.
You're playing your cards with your queen of hearts. When everyone folds, your fork still holds. You're placing your bet, showing no regret. Close your eyes to hide your lies, roll the dice. You got me tiptoeing around you like you made of glass. Got an invincible fence, letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. You're playing it cool, bending all the rules, talking way too loud, and you're talking rude. You're playing a game, driving me insane. Your heart is back, and it's a fact, no turning back. You got me tiptoeing around you like you made of glass. Got an invincible fence, letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. When I use my witchcraft.
I already had my dishes done. I've been trying really hard to keep up on those at least. So that's why in this video you don't see me doing any dishes today. And yes, that was my daughter saying hi to y'all.
Got an invincible fence, letting everyone know not to trespass. But you're bound to break down, bound to lose, bound to get knocked right out of your boots when I use my witchcraft. When I use my witchcraft. I've got my moves, I got my song. When I turn my mojo on, I'm feeling fine, I'm feeling strong. It won't take long when I use my witchcraft. When I use my witchcraft. Watch me use my witchcraft. I'm gonna use my witchcraft. All these busy people hurrying along. If they're not on the phone, they're all worried something's wrong. Making it important to be the first in line. So when the cookie crumbles, the best piece they will find. Oh, we're racing to a red light. It's right there before our eyes, somehow hidden in plain sight. And we are racing to a red light.
And I'm sure you'll notice a couple of these urns here. We sadly recently had a couple of our
I
pets
love you.
pass away, a couple of our cats. Turns out the puppy that we had, he attacked them and unfortunately killed them. So we got them some urns and, you know, had them cremated. But yeah, I think the area looks nice. We want to get them a nicer area to put them on. But for now, they're just on top of where our shoes go, unfortunately. but we no longer have the puppy either. So yeah, we're just down to our dog Blaze, who's a good boy and would never hurt any animals, just any humans that were trying to hurt us. And then we have our two cats, TL and Paulson.
I love Paulson.
Racing to a red
area of the house. I'm doing my daughter's room, and it is a complete mess. I'm so sorry. But yeah, this, I believe, took me the longest out of the whole rest of the house, but we got her done. And also, my camera kept cutting out every once in a while when I was filming in her room and a few other places around the house. I don't know if you would have noticed, but yeah, that's why it's a little bit shorter on her room, because my camera kept cutting out, so sorry about that.
dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted. And I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever. And I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. Could you come a little closer now? Cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. Here we are, right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever. And I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. promise that I will stand by you forever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah.
And I just noticed as I was editing this video, but the camera is not in focus while I'm folding the laundry, so I apologize for that.
Yeah, I won't waste this. Never knew that it could feel this way when you lie next to someone. You don't even need to play pretend, 'cause you find the way you are. I wanna know you better, give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever when you're lying in my arms. My heart is open, it just took some time. Now I just hope that you'd stay for a little while. You fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while. So just stay for a little while.
I didn't think that I would find that someone who's as honest as you are. The way you make me feel at night when I am vulnerable and it's cold outside, but you make it alright. I wanna know you better, give me every detail.
Alright, this is getting near about the end of the video, but yeah, this was a long day for me. I think it took me about 7 hours to get my whole house clean, and yeah, I was exhausted by the end of this, hence why I didn't even edit the video until the next day, like today, when I'm doing this. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you a lot of cleaning motivation. And again, if you made it throughout the whole video and you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join my little YouTube family. And I will see you guys all again in the next video, because I'm going to start doing some spring cleaning videos. I think I'm going to start with the fridge and get to my closet area. I'm sure you've seen it. It's a disaster. But yeah, well, I have a lot of videos in store. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
Stay for a little while. My heart is open, it just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while.
You fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay